Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Sign into the exact Google account you'll use for YouTube Premium and confirm a valid payment method is attached. Once done, find the promo code from the partner email or offer page and copy it precisely. Codes are case sensitive. Make sure your app or browser is updated so redeem options appear. Now head to the YouTube Premium offer page within that account. We'll apply the code in the next step. You're on the Premium offer page. Click Subscribe or Redeem depending on the interface and paste the promo code into the designated field. If the site requires country verification, make sure your Google account region matches the offer region. Mismatches block redemption. After pasting, press Apply and watch for the discount or trial period to display. This confirms the code accepted. If the preview looks correct, proceed to accept terms. Complete the flow by confirming the subscription and checking your billing email for the discounted charge or trial confirmation. This proves the promo applied. If the code fails, don't panic. Clear browser cache, try a different device or browser, and ensure your account region and payment method match the offer, then retry. If problems persist, contact the promo issuer or YouTube support with the code and error message. Finally, note the trial end date and set a calendar reminder if you plan to cancel before renewal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.